In a rain-soaked alley, AI graffiti blooms with fresh colors, revealing a long-lost dream under neon rain. He was just a boy. A subtle glow leaks from a cracked window, signaling a quiet comeback in this alley of echoes. Abstract light loops flash in time with a somber piano, turning loneliness into a stubborn thread of hope softly. The maker rebirths herself through small acts, each frame a step toward redemption, and renewed belief and courage returns. The final frame fades to a bold subtitle. The glow-up came softly, yet it endured for anyone listening.